Students of class 3rd, welcome all of you in the online coding classes of SRPS. As you know, in this coding classes we are learning the commands of MSW logo. So students, in our previous videos we have learned some commands. The 6 commands we have learned. First command was FD, means forward. By this command we can move our turtle forward direction. LT means left turn. By this command we can turn our turtle into left direction. RT means right turn. BK means back. By giving this command we can bring back turtle backwards. Home, by giving this command we can bring turtle to the home position. Home position, what is the home position? The center of the screen is the home of a turtle. CS command, CS means clear screen. By giving this command we can clear the screen. Now we will learn some two more command, which are PU and PD. PU means pen up, PD means pen down. See, basically when you write on your paper, what you need to do, you need to touch your pen or pencil on the paper. When you touch and move your pen, you write something. When you move up your pen, and if you want to write and move your hand on paper, there would be no sign or no character will be created, because you have, what you have done, pen up. If you want to write again, what you need to do, you need to pen down. You need to touch your pen with paper. When your pen will touch paper, it will draw something. If it is not touching the paper, it will not draw anything. In the same way we use this command. Let's again understand. Commands are pen up and pen down. The abbreviation of pen up and pen down, PU and PD. Now what is the meaning of pen up? Sets the turtle to move without drawing. With this command, turtle will move without drawing anything. And if you want to draw something, what you need to do? Pen down. With the help of pen down command, PD command, it resets to a drawing pen when ordered to move. So with using these command we can create shape like this. As you can see, I have moved turtle, then again some blank space is there. This blank space is occurred due to PU, pen up command. When pen is up, turtle is moving but not drawing something. When, and again there is a line, so this line is there because I have given pen down command. When I give pen down command, turtle again start drawing with pen and moving forward. When turtles came here, I gave command pen up, so turtle is moving from here to here without drawing any line. So let's understand how we can give this command. So for that, if you want to create that type of shape, you need to give command like this: FD 50. Now with FD 50 command, turtle will move 50 points forward. Now we need some blank space. For blank space we need to give command PU, pen up. Now again FD 50. Now turtle will move with this command PU, pen up. Now turtle will move with this command, but it will not draw anything. Now again I give command PD. So this set of command we will use to create that type of shape. How? Let's see. So first of all I will use CS command. With CS command I will clear the screen. CS. As you can see, screen is clear, and you can see turtle over here. Now I will use this command. I am copying this command. Just Control C, copy, paste this command in input box. Now just execute this command or just press enter. See, means FD50 means from here to here turtle moved 50 points. Now we use PU command. With PU command, pen is up. Again I gave FD50. Turtle moved 50 point without drawing any line. So this gap is there. Turtle has moved from here to here 50 point without drawing line. Now again I have given PD command, means now if turtle will move forward, it will draw something. So as you know, I have told you last time, just click this command and you will get that command in the input box. So again we will give same command and click on execute button. Click on previous command, that command will appear in your input box. Then click on execute button. See, we have drawn this dotted line or lines with gap. Now we will turn the turtle in right direction, so we will give command RT space 90, enter. As you can see, the turtle has changed its side. Now it is looking forward right direction. So again we will use same command, FD50 PU FD50 PD. Just click over here, click execute button, again click over here, execute button, again click over here, execute button. Now we will change the direction, RT space 90. As you can see, the direction of turtle has been changed. Again we'll give same command, FD50 PU FD50 PD. Sorry, like this. Again just click over here, then enter. Again we will change the direction of turtle, RT space 90, enter. Now we will use same command, FD50 PU FD50 PD. Click and enter, select and enter, select and enter. So using these command, as you can see, I have written over here. I am increasing the size of this command. You can see properly. FD50 means turtle will move 50 points. After moving 50 points, I have given PU command, means turtle can move forward without drawing any line. So with PU command, pen is up. Now I have given FD50, means turtle will move without drawing any line. This gap is created by this command. Fine. PU, because of PU this gap is created. In last I gave command PD, so that turtle can write or draw line again. Fine. So student, install this software MSW Logo, use this command. Fine. We have studied 8 command over here. Fine. So these all commands you should write in your copy and do practice at your home. Fine. It is a very good software. Using this software you can create different shapes. Fine. You can understand the concept of coding. You can develop your analytical skills. So install this software in your computer, in your laptop, and create this type of shape. Fine. So I hope you all will do practical at your home and create this type of shape. Just make a video from your mobile phone while creating this shape, or you can click a picture while doing this practical and send in our class 3rd group. Okay, thank you very much.